Welcome to our channel. If you want to apply for a mortgage, follow these step-by-step instructions to navigate the process smoothly and secure the best loan terms. Step 1. Check your credit score and review your credit report for errors or issues that need to be resolved. A higher credit score typically qualifies you for better interest rates and loan terms. Step 2. Determine how much house you can afford by calculating your debt-to-income ratio, monthly expenses, and available down payment. Use online mortgage calculators to estimate monthly payments. Step 3. Save for a down payment, typically ranging from 3 to 20% of the home's purchase price, along with closing costs and reserves to cover unexpected expenses. Step 4. Get pre-approved for a mortgage by submitting a formal application to one or more lenders. This involves providing documentation of your income, assets, debts, and employment history. Step 5. Compare mortgage offers from multiple lenders, including interest rates, loan terms, fees, and closing costs. Don't just focus on the interest rate, but also consider the annual percentage rate, which reflects the total cost of borrowing. Step 6. Choose a lender and lock in your interest rate to protect against market fluctuations while your application is processed. Complete all required paperwork, including income verification and property appraisal. Step 7. Undergo the underwriting process where the lender verifies your financial information and assesses the property value. Be prepared to provide additional documentation if requested. Step 8. Close on your mortgage by signing final documents, paying closing costs, and receiving the keys to your new home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.